Yes, so I wanted to show you QonQrete v1.0.2 is available in VS Code. You can download it from the extension store, install it, and I want to show you how to use it now. So we go to a fresh folder here that I have called test1. That's our project. And the first thing we do is deploy QonQrete. Deploy to workspace. We'll deploy it there. And then we have to create a task and set the AI configuration if you like. And on different models, OpenAI, that's fine. But we do which one was this? Task level GPT-4 Nano, instructor GPT-4 Mini, constructor normal GPT, and inspector GPT-4 Mini. Open, yeah, if you gotta set your API keys, but I already have them in my environment variables. You can also set them here. If you set them here, it will be saved in the secret store of your IDE, so they will be handled securely and they will be injected in the process. No temp files or variables, whatever. So we set that. And yeah, we can put a task in here. I have an example task here. Simple text thingy, put it in there. So REST API server. And then we can run it. Configuration. Looks all fine to me. Give it a name and go. Might, if it needs to initialize first because you have to build a container, then it will tell you or do it. And here we go. And split it up into 2 bricks, subtasks, and a cost calculation. I've also implemented now that you can provide a user gate, so you have to confirm the cost before it runs. Makes sense. And it looks like it's building it successfully. There we go. Partial. Wasn't too happy about it, but we can see what it has built. It's basically built now. And now inside here, the constructions, test 1, we have in the code chart our new built application, as you can see.